Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features and a good deal. Features also include heated seats, alloy wheels, rear-view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.